How to fix correct password but cannot log in to Instagram on Android. This tutorial shows you how to troubleshoot and resolve Instagram logging issues on your Android device. First, make sure your internet connection is stable and try switching between Wi-Fi and mobile data. From there, if you're still unable to log in, tap on Forgot Password on the login screen to reset it. At this point, follow the on-screen prompts to reset your password via email or phone number. In the next step, once reset, try logging in again with your new password. Following this, if the issue persists, long press on the Instagram app icon and tap App Info. Once done, tap on Storage and then tap Clear Cache to remove any corrupted data that may be causing the login issue. From here, also tap Clear Data to do a full reset of the app. Finally, open the Google Play Store, search for Instagram, and check if an update is available. If so, tap Update and try logging in again once it's installed. And that's it. If this Instagram guide helped you fix your login issue, give it a like. Subscribe for more Instagram tutorials